giveaway. Stan won the giveaway.
Oh, I just got one of my viewers just sent me 2 keys. Oh, open 3 cases. I'll open 3 cases. Shit, son. Oh my god, an amazing P90. What can you do? Ankle corpse, thank you for following.
I don't know. What can you do?
Amazing, amazing.
Oh, great.
Okay, second one. Glock 18, Bunsen burner.
Can I win that? Can I win that?
For sure.
I
Okay,
fucking when I win that one.
I need to buy a key. A master of beard. Well, you are the master of beard, so... Okay. Så nu går ind og kigge på streamen nu.
Oh my god, I have to do stuff.
Ja, gør det.
Twitch.classiasko. Please guys, share his stream, it's so professional. I only bought half his webcam. So professional. Look at his beard, it's amazing. He's getting up. Oh, you pick up the cat. What the fuck?
Seriøst?
I'm back. What?
Stan, go into my Steam stream real quick, dude. Real quick.
What the fuck? You got an off hyper beast when you just picked up the cat.
What?
He went to pick up the cat to press the button.